Bisit sa gihapon nato karon si Parole and Probation Administration Regional Director Lina Espere. Kay sa Webes, doon na sila ay medyo mas daghan pa nga kalihukan sa ilahang week-long activity ang ilang 33rd anniversary. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Pamahaw Espesyal.
Good morning.
Oo. Ma'am, siguro hisgutan sa nato unsa gyud ning parole and probation, unsa gyud ang trabaho sa ahensya?
Okay, so kaning parole and probation, itawag nato ni nga mga community-based treatment of our criminal offenders. Ang katong gitawag nga probationers, mo kato sila ang mga criminal offenders nga instead nga ilang deserve ang ilang sentence inside our jails, they are released back to the community subject to certain conditions imposed by the court and also to the supervision of the probation and parole officers. Whereas kaning parolees, they are offenders who have served a portion of their minimum sentence before they are granted parole by the Board of Pardons and Parole. So these two type of offenders are our clients, and we are supervising them, facilitating their reintegration back to our community.
Okay, ma'am, unsa man gyud ang trust o program gihapon sa inyong ahensya?
Okay, so we have several trust and programs. So, isa gining rehabilitation programs, and we have several, We have our moral and social reformation activities, guidance and counseling, either individual, group, or marital counseling, and to some extent, spiritual counseling. We have referrals for jobs. We have skills training. And we also have this therapeutic community approach in the rehabilitation or reformation of certain behavioral defects or
so focus
maladaptive behavior.
Focus kita dito sa atong mga kaigsuunan nga naa sa mga presohan.
No, they are released. They are in the community.
Okay, kana gyud ang atong focus.
Yeah, kay og sa sa bilangguan, that's under the supervision of the Bureau of Jails.
So kung makaluwas na sila kay syempre naagihapon murag na ay trauma pagihapon nga murag lisod na sila sa gawas murag ang ana, at least ginatagaan gihapon nila siya chance nga mabuhi gihapon normally. Oo, ma'am, normal man gyud ga-celebrate tag anniversary nato kada tuig. Karong tuiga, ma'am, unsa may kalahian, unsa may gina-look forward gihapon nga mga activities?
Karon nga year, we give more focus and attention to our human resource. So, we have adopted the theme, sound mind in a sound body, the key to outstanding public service. So, atong gi-focus din ang health and well-being sa atong mga personnel. So, tomorrow until July 24, we have gathering of all the personnel in Region 10, and natay mga programa, natay Thanksgiving Mass, followed by the, we call this moral rejuvenation activity. This will be facilitated by a priest. And after that, we have a sports fest. Then in the evening, we have the fellowship night. So the following day, we have our personal assembly.
Oo, so medyo taas-taas gihapon kay medyo lingaw gihapon, pero at least naa gihapon mo time para magbanding-banding. Final message, final words, okay na ka, ma'am?
Okay, so for my final words, I would like to thank all those people who have assisted us, who have been our partners in the rehabilitation of our clients, from those persons coming from the NGOs, from the NGAs, and also well-meaning persons in our community, specifically our volunteer probation aides. So we have done a lot in helping us.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Lina, sa Parole and Probation Administration. O syempre, doon na paghihapon tayo dugang detalye, ihatag ka natin si Art.